Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're trying to choose between Shopify and WooCommerce for your online store, I'll walk you through how they stack up their strengths, trade-offs, and what type of business each is better suited for. First, Shopify is a fully hosted platform. That means they take care of hosting, security, backups, performance, and a lot of the technical heavy lifting. If you want to launch quickly, not worry about server issues or patching, and have a more turnkey solution, Shopify wins points here. WooCommerce, by contrast, is a plugin for WordPress. It gives you total control. You manage hosting, themes, plugins, updates, and everything under the hood. That control comes with more setup work and ongoing maintenance, but it also means more flexibility and customization. If you're someone who wants to tweak every detail, integrate custom tools, or own every piece of the system, WooCommerce is strong in that area in terms of cost. WooCommerce can seem cheaper up front because the core plugin is free. But you'll need to budget for hosting SSL, possibly premium themes or plugins, maybe higher traffic hosting as you grow. Shopify has a clear monthly fee, includes hosting, security, and many built-in features. But costs can go up with apps, themes, and transaction fees if you use payment gateways other than Shopify payments. When it comes to ease of use, Shopify is more beginner-friendly. The interface is clean, things are more guided, and you can launch faster with less technical knowledge. WooCommerce has a learning curve. You'll need to manage WordPress settings, plugin compatibility, hosting configuration, etc. If you're comfortable with tech or willing to hire someone, this might not be a problem. But it's definitely a factor. Extension and customization. WooCommerce has a big advantage in customization because it's open source. You can pretty much build exactly what you want, integrate with anything, alter checkout flow more freely, use any plugin. Shopify has a strong app ecosystem, and many things are possible. But you're somewhat limited to what Shopify or app developers allow. Sometimes certain customizations cost more or are harder if they're not well supported. SEO, content, and blogging tends to lean slightly toward WooCommerce in terms of flexibility, because WordPress is strong for content, blogs, custom permalinks, etc. That said, Shopify does a solid job for most standard e-commerce SEO needs, and for many stores, it's more than enough. Scalability and support. Shopify handles scaling automatically as your traffic grows. Shopify's infrastructure takes care of most performance. Also, customer support tends to be strong, especially in higher-tier plans. With WooCommerce, scaling depends more on your hosting, your dev stack, and how well you keep plugins updated. If you do it right, WooCommerce can scale well, but it usually takes more management. So, which is better for you? If you want to start fast, minimize technical headaches, and focus on selling without managing servers, Shopify is probably the safer, easier bet. If you want maximum control, don't mind technical work. Want potentially lower long-term costs if you manage everything well? And want to build something very customized, WooCommerce might be the better choice.